Yo, I'm hungry. I forgot to eat lunch. This is very not amazing. Wish me luck. Hey guys, so today's video is going to be a full face of Dollar Tree makeup. I got some other stuff in here I'm just going to show you just because it was a lot of fun to just go into a Dollar Tree and just like browse around. I'm not going to lie to you, my Dollar Tree sucks. So I barely found anything, but they did have some stuff in the Halloween section. I'm like, oh my gosh, we're going to play with that. So I have a full face of stuff here. There's a few things I couldn't find, like brow product. I mean, there was, but it was only black. And I'm going to dye my hair black, but not yet. And I didn't want to have black eyebrows and blonde hair. It just won't look great. Before into this video though, I would love for you to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you can be notified every single time I upload a new video. I upload every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. I would also love for you to head over to my Instagram, check me out there, show me some love there, join my IG fam. I'm posting lots of creative content, currently prepping for 31 days of Halloween. Really scared I'm gonna actually die. But anyway, let's get into this video. I have all of my stuff here. I did get a few things that are not makeup related. I just want to show you. So they had these like fall leaf garlands. I'm trying to make a fall leaf crown. You can guess what I'm gonna do with that, I'm sure. But I found some other things to like add to it, like little pumpkins, little sunflowers, things like that. Bigger sunflowers. Yo, this look I have in mind, I cannot wait to see my vision come to life. They didn't have the wire that I needed to make like an actual leaf crown situation, so I'm gonna have to improvise with the actual garland. It's gonna be really interesting. But I obviously got more of these leaves because I need to add them, because that one was so bare, that garland. I also saw these makeup wipes, and let me tell you, I never use makeup wipes anymore because I'm trying to be eco-friendly, but as a makeup artist, I need them. Like, I need them. So these are actually from Sassy and Chic micellar makeup remover wipes. I've never heard of this brand, but it comes with 25 wipes and it was only $1, so I'm gonna go to the dollar store to get my wipes from now on so I don't feel like I'm going broke while killing the earth. And yeah, the rest is stuff to actually put on my face. I'm so excited, you guys. A lot of this is actually LA Colors, but I did find some e.l.f. and some Wet n Wild. The first thing I want to use is this LA Colors Sugar Lip Scrub. I really needed lip scrub, so I thought I would just try it right now. So all you do is gently rub across the lips, remove excess with a tissue. I need to find like my little garbage can, but until I do, it's just gonna go there. Man, for $1, if I could find a good lip scrub, I'm excited. Let's try it. Ooh, it smells like vanilla. It doesn't feel very much like a scrub, to be honest. Where's the scrub? It feels like a lip balm or like a chapstick. Oh, I feel it now. You have to like dig under that first layer of stuff, that's for sure. It's definitely really gentle, and I like the Jeffree Star lip scrub is like my favorite. This is too gentle for my liking, but I'll definitely use it. I think I'm gonna start with the eyes because I found some cool stuff, and I'm afraid I'm gonna get fallout everywhere. I found this eyeshadow palette. This is LA Colors again. They had a bunch of different options. They had some neutral options, and I was like, no, I want the color because you know me, I'm colorful. I also got this. This is also from LA Colors. This is a liquid eyeshadow in the shade Regal. And I just saw it there and I was like, yo, this is pretty. I need to try to incorporate this into my look. It's like a little lip gloss tube, obviously. Let's see what the color looks like. It probably won't have a huge color payoff. Alright, so this is called the Urban Eyeshadow Palette, and I really hope it's not chalky, but man, this is giving me like my first few years of doing makeup vibes because I actually used to use those. How embarrassing. Most of these shades are matte, so this is gonna be interesting. That's kind of why I wanted to like use that metallic shade though. I'm gonna swatch a few. I mean, those two greens look so identical though. They're not that different. Alright, I'm just gonna take this stupid thing out. It smells like those eyeshadow palettes, like the drugstore ones. Oh my gosh. I already know that the issue I'm gonna have though is trying to find a shade that is a little darker than the metallic. They're so chalky, guys. Honestly, I don't know if this is worth the $1, but we're gonna do this, all right? So I'm gonna go in with this shade right here, which is the purple, and I'm just gonna try to pack that on in the... Oh wait, I didn't even put on an eyeshadow primer. What am I doing? Can you imagine if I had applied that eyeshadow without priming my lids? I'm really gonna dig in there and try to see if it works. Okay, that's a little bit better. It's funny because on the packaging it says high pigment or something like that. I'm like, okay, whatever you say. I mean, the shade itself is just not that pigmented. Well, it's not that dark, so it's just not gonna come out as pigmented as like a darker shade. But I'm gonna take this liquid eyeshadow thing before I go in with any other shades because I don't even know if this is gonna work. I think I'm gonna put it directly on my lid. See, this is worth $1. That's for sure. It's so pretty. It gets a little bit patchy like toward the middle. Like it doesn't blend out as, I don't know, it blends out into nothing basically. This is super pretty, but I'm gonna need to make this into like some sort of cut crease situation because I don't know how else to make this look like a normal eyeshadow look. The palette definitely is not worth the money. The shadow I put in my crease is gone entirely. Like, what? So I'm gonna do what I do when I don't have mattes available, and that is make a cute little cut crease. All right, it's time to try out these makeup wipes. Yo, I'm hungry. I forgot to eat lunch. All right, we're gonna move on to the face because I think I'm done with that. I'm gonna spray a little bit of my Manica Dar hydrating face mist. We need all the hydration we can get. All right, now that that's dry, I'm gonna take a little bit of my Tatcha, the silk canvas. This is the liquid silk canvas because I couldn't find a primer, and I probably wouldn't trust a Dollar Tree primer to actually work. And this is the best primer in the world. I mean, it would be amazing if they made a $1 primer that works because this is like $52 or something. So this is the Sassy and Chic BB Beauty Benefit Cream. I got 2 shades because I mean, they really had like 3 shades. This is light one, medium one, and I think they had like a dark one. They might have had 2 of each, and that's it. I don't normally like BB creams, and plus I kind of made this an extra glam sort of look, kind of, maybe. I have another option here, but I do just want to like open this real quick and see how it feels on the skin, like right here, because it might actually give me enough coverage. Oh, this might have actually been my color. It feels really thick. It doesn't feel like a BB cream. It feels like it'll give you really nice coverage, actually. I'll probably mix in a little bit of the medium if I ever do want to use it, but I think I do want to go for the other foundation today, even though it feels really good, actually. This is the LA Colors matte foundation. They really also didn't have very many shades, so I picked the lightest one that they did have, and that was nude, so this may not work either. It's actually really tiny, so these wouldn't last a very long time, but they're still $1, so if I find a foundation that I like for $1, hey man, I'm all here for that. Where do I try this? All right, I'll try this on the back of my hand. It's gonna be way dark on me. Yeah, way dark. So, you know, I might mix a little bit of the light BB cream and then this foundation just to make the right shade. It actually feels really moussey and really nice. Oh, I have a sponge. This is the Sassy and Chic blender sponge. Quick little story. When I was looking for a sponge, because I wanted the sponge, this brand was the only brand of sponge, but all of them were like the packaging was like this, and the sponge like actually stayed in, oh, if you could see that, indented. So that's a really interesting thing to me. Ooh, it feels really nice and firm. I'm gonna go with this and I'll be right back. So it definitely doubled in size. It feels really nice and squishy. $1 for a sponge, man. All right, so I'm gonna put a little bit of this foundation, the matte foundation, on the back of my hand, and then I'm gonna also take a little bit of the light BB cream. They actually look like very similar consistencies. You're not gonna be able to tell on camera. I think I kind of mixed a pretty okay shade, right? Yeah, it looks kind of okay. Let's see. Oh yeah, it doesn't have as much coverage as I thought it was gonna have. All right, I'm gonna try taking it with a brush because I feel like the sponge might actually soak up a lot of the product. I already need more foundation. Let's see if it's buildable. Honestly, I'm not mad at the coverage. It's like not super crazy coverage. It says its long wearing high pigment formula applies as a liquid and blends into a beautiful matte finish. Apply liquid to face and blend with fingertips or a sponge. I'm using a brush because I'm a rebel like that. I need more. I'm gonna do a little bit more of this little mixture. All right, I'm definitely starting to see a lot of texture. A whole lot. This is very, very not amazing. For concealer, we have the LA Colors concealer. This covers and conceals, and this is in the shade nude, obviously, so I got a white one. This is Conceal and Correct, so it has illuminating features. Hopefully it makes this a little lighter as well. We'll see. So I already applied some because I just had to film a TikTok, and when I do the aesthetic TikTok situation, I have to like show it up close when I'm applying it. This is the applicator. It's a very, very small applicator. I mean, it's a mini size concealer if you really think about it. I'm just gonna take a little bit before it dries down too much of the corrector. Yeah, it's just gonna brighten. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna have really, really bright under eyes. How embarrassing. Yep. Wow, but the illuminator is really pretty. But don't do that. Don't do it. Don't do what I just did. Find your right shade of this because I bet it would actually look really nice. I'm just going to apply it over top because I need to not do that. This whole video is going to be a fail and it makes me sad. I really thought there would be some standout products. Yeah, this has little to no coverage. I'm going to try applying it with a brush though. I don't know if I like the sponge at all. It really quite soaks up a lot of the product. Could be that the concealer is just like a no from me. I'm gonna take some of this though on the lower lash line. Wish me luck. Because I don't like having a bare lower lash line, so I need to put something there. We're gonna use the brush to kind of make sure everything's all nice and blended. I'm happy with this. I would use this as a wing liner, like for sure, like a, you know, pop of purple wing liner. They had a bunch of colors, by the way. I think they had blue, green, like they had a bunch of colors. I'm not gonna lie to you though, this stuff is really cute too, and I'm gonna take some over here. It's like a liquid highlighter, so before I put down powder products to make this look a little bit more highlighted, look at how pretty that is. Like, that's actually really nice for $1. It does not bring out my texture at all. It's not like a bam in your face highlight, but it gives you like that subtle glow, which sometimes I really like for every day. What is going on with my hair? I just noticed it's like really not cute. By the way, I slept in braids last night and I just took them out, and this is how my hair looks. It's like really curly. The cheapest curling iron to put your hair in braids in. I have this brush here. It's called an eyeshadow brush. This is a Sassy and Chic eyeshadow brush. It's not an eyeshadow brush to me. Like, I've always wanted those brushes. What are they called? I always wanted a small one to do my nose contour or even like my cheek contour with. I'm gonna try to use this for my contour now. I need this chocolate. You have no idea. I'm gonna go ahead and highlight the inner corner, maybe with one of these shades here. I have no idea because this palette sucks. But let's take the white shade, like the white. It smells, remember those old school eyeshadow palettes from like the drugstore that cost like $5? It's like a chalky smell. It smells like my grandma. Not everything is a fail, but I'm like kind of disappointed in like most things. So I do have this liquid liner, but I like this look, I don't know, does it need a liquid liner? We're gonna do it anyway, all right? This is the LA Colors liquid liner. You probably open it and it has like, yeah, it's just like your typical, the applicator or the wand, whatever you want to call it, is a little flimsy, so like you have to be very careful or one of these two will happen. You have to have a very steady hand. Honestly, this is, I'm not mad at it. It's like really black. It'll help cover the lash bands when I do put on lashes, because I did find some dollar store lashes and I'm pretty excited about them. I did also find this LA Colors white pencil liner, or it's a twist up pencil. I bought this because I need it for Halloween. When I do my creative looks, I like to draw. Oh, I think I just broke it. Did I? No. Okay, good. I like to draw like the stuff that I'm gonna do before I actually go in with like paint or anything. This will be perfect for that, but I'm gonna take some on the waterline just to see how pigmented it is. Wow. All right, so I did find a contour kit. This is from Beauty Benefits is what it's called. This is what it looks like. So you have your powder on one side and your contour shade on the other side. This is the teeniest thing ever. It's so cute. This powder is definitely gonna be way too yellow for me. It's more of a banana powder, and honestly the contour shade kind of scares me. It's very cool toned, but we're gonna go for it. So I'm gonna take my powder brush and just, it did take away some of the sheen, but it's actually not that pigmented at all. If you're fair like me, it would still work for you. Let's see what the other side, I'm gonna swatch it real quick. That's what it looks like. Oh my god, it's so cool toned. Like, I like more of a neutral. Actually, when you swatch it, it doesn't look so bad, but it does have some shimmer in it, which I generally don't like for contouring. All right, for blush, we have the Color Mates blush and brush. The packaging is like super plastic, obviously, and it's actually kind of hard to open. These blush brushes, like, no. But it does look super shimmery. That color payoff is really nice. I don't have any more anywhere else to swatch. Swatched right here. Very nice. I quite like that actually. Super pigmented. The blush is a win for me too. I really like it. It's blending out really nicely too. All right, we're gonna try this as a contour brush. This is exactly what I wanted. You have no idea. But I feel like it would look really nice with cream contour, like cream nose contour. I do have a highlighter. I thought it was from the same brand, but I don't think it is. This is LA Colors. The other one was Color Mates. Oh, this is definitely different packaging. It's a lot more sleek. Kind of opens like a NARS blushes. Oh my gosh. That is stunning. Wow, a little bit overboard with the highlight today, all right? So I do have some lip products. I have two lip products. This is from e.l.f. and this is their lip liner pencil, which I actually don't think they sell anymore. But if they do, I'll link it down below. But I'm pretty sure I've been looking for a lip liner from e.l.f. and I haven't seen any on their website. And I stalk their website religiously because e.l.f. is my favorite drugstore brand. This is really interesting though because it has like a sharpener in it. How does this even work? Oh, so if you turn it, it's like a sharpener right there. That is so cool. That is really innovative and they need to bring these back. Oh, it's really creamy. It reminds me of like the ColourPop lip liners, but like not as creamy, but it's pretty creamy. And I'm gonna go ahead and just fill them in. For $1, I may go get more of these. It has a little bit of a sheen. And then for lipstick, I have this from LA Colors and I thought it would match the lip liner. It is a pretty basic looking lipstick. This is what it looks like. Yeah, it'll match. This lipstick smells like my childhood. It smells like Play-Doh. I'm not mad at this. This is not a matte lipstick. It's called Mauve Glaze, in case you're wondering. I do have a mascara. I kind of forgot about this. This is the Wet n Wild Full Healthy Lashes. It's cute, right? Let's see how the applicator looks. It's very thin, so it's probably really good for the lower lashes. I really like this as a lower lash mascara though. Oh my gosh, it's getting them really nice and coated. After the second coat, I'm kind of like actually really liking them. I've got a bunch of lashes here. I saw these in the Halloween section and I was like, oh my god, how fun are these? So they come in different colors. There's silver, blue, purple, and red. And let me tell you, I already have ideas of how I'm going to use this for Halloween. Definitely using these for Halloween. So much fun. But I saw these in like the normal makeup section and I was like, these are 3D foam ink lashes. They look really pretty. They actually do look 3D. I can't wait to see how they look on the eyeballs. So I have a few thoughts on the lashes and okay, the fact is that the eyeshadow is really sticky. So when you try to stick on the lashes and the lash glue is supposed to be really tacky, it's really hard for it to stick on. But yeah, that's it for this video. I really enjoyed trying out some new products that I normally wouldn't try out from the dollar store. Like I would have never thought to get makeup from the dollar store. There were a few hidden gems in here, I'm not gonna lie, but for the most part I'm sticking to my drugstore normal stuff. I think there's a reason that the stuff is in the dollar store and not just the drugstore anymore. I'll let you guys know how the foundation wears like in a pinned comment down below. I'm not gonna wear it for very much longer, but I'll try it out another day and I'll try just the matte foundation. I'll try just the BB cream separately and let you guys know in the pinned comment. Like I said, it doesn't look bad for a $1 foundation. Like I think I found something pretty awesome. But yeah, that's it for this video. I really hope you enjoyed it. Please give it a thumbs up. It helps me out so much. Please subscribe if you haven't already and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. They were had like some. All right, so this is called the Urban. Why is this so wet? Oh, it's from the makeup wipe. Oh my gosh. But yeah, that's it for this video. This is everything. This is